Imagine turning your boring bedroom into a breathtaking galaxy, filled with colorful nebula clouds and sparkling stars, all with one small astronaut. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the real question. Is this Astronaut Galaxy Projector actually worth buying? Or is it just another viral gadget that looks better in ads than in real life? In this review, I'll show you exactly what you get, what makes it special, and whether it's the right choice for your room. First look. The first thing you'll notice is the adorable astronaut design. It doesn't just project beautiful lights, it also works as a stylish room decoration during the day. The head rotates 360 degrees, so you can point the galaxy anywhere you want, your ceiling, wall, or even inside your car for a relaxing atmosphere. It looks premium, modern, and surprisingly well made. Lighting performance. Now let's talk about the most important part, the lighting. This projector offers 17 different galaxy lighting combinations. You get colorful nebula clouds, bright green stars, or you can combine both to create your own galaxy experience. Whether you're relaxing after a long day, watching a movie, gaming, or helping your kids fall asleep, the lighting creates a peaceful and magical atmosphere. The upgraded projector also covers a larger projection area than many similar models, making your entire room feel like you're under a beautiful night sky. Smart features. Using it is incredibly simple. The included remote control lets you adjust the colors, brightness, lighting effects, and animation speed without leaving your bed. It also includes convenient timer options. You can set it to turn off after 30 minutes or 60 minutes, making it perfect for bedtime. If you accidentally leave it on, it automatically powers off after 5 hours, helping save energy while you sleep. Who is it for? This projector is perfect for almost anyone. Kids will love the colorful galaxy and glowing stars. Teenagers can use it to upgrade their bedroom setup. Adults can enjoy a relaxing atmosphere while reading, watching movies, or simply unwinding after work. It's also an excellent gift for birthdays, Christmas, Valentine's Day, or anyone who loves space-themed room decor. Final verdict. So, is the Astronaut Galaxy Projector worth buying? If you're looking for an affordable Galaxy projector with beautiful lighting, a fun astronaut design, remote control, timer features, and an immersive room experience, this is definitely one of the best options in its price range. If you'd like to check today's price or read real customer reviews, you'll find the Amazon link in the description below. And if this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.